Hey everybody, me again, and I got a request, and there was no way I was turning this request down, just because of the topic, and it's weed. Yeah, really, really, me? You want me, of all people, to talk about it. Okay, one, I'm gonna give a shout out to my Facebook friend Michael. What's up, man? Um, One, I don't do it anymore because I'm a sober individual. Actually, somewhere around here. It's backwards, but it says 2 years. So yeah. Two. Um, I have a life. And, yeah. You don't, probably, if you're watching this. And what's funny is you're probably smoking, thinking that this is going to be the funniest thing ever because I'm going to add a really cool little title to it. No, I'm not going to make this funny. However, I came up with a list. Pretty cool list, I must say. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have to read it, so if you see my eyes moving and not looking at the lens, you'll understand why. I came up with, because my whole life I thought Scooby-Doo was a drug-influenced cartoon. Here's my top 10 reasons why. Number one, Shaggy and Scooby were always freaked out by ghosts, but no one saw them but Shaggy and Scooby. Shaggy and Scooby always had the munchies. Scooby Snacks. Shaggy always thought Scooby was talking and was the only one who could hear him and understand him. Yeah. Scooby and Shaggy always fell into the trap that was intended for the monster because they were tripping over themselves and could not see where they were going. Yeah. Number five, they were always deluded and warped by thinking they were dressed up in some costumes that entertained the monster. Yeah, like, I remember this one episode where they get into, like, a thing of armor thinking that's gonna make the monster go away. And six, Shaggy said like, the word like, to the extreme. For example, like zoink, Scoobs, let's get out of here. What's a zoink? Scooby and Shaggy were always the ones in the back of the van, doing who knows what. They drove around the mystery machine, which had weird, trippy, hippie-like designs on them. Shaggy and Scooby were always giggling and laughing, especially Scooby. And just look at Shaggy. I mean, the way he's dressed, that goatee he's got. I mean, that's just enough said. So, yeah, my point being, everybody, Scooby-Doo, the writers were potheads. Same thing with probably every other TV show. Except, like a serious show, like Grey's Anatomy or something, I don't know. Anyhow, here's my thoughts on weed. One, I think it's the dumbest drug, and yes, I said drug, in the history of the world. Have I used it? Yes. Did I like it? Yes. But that doesn't mean anything. I think people who smoke weed, I don't have really a problem with them. However, I have a problem with them wanting me to smoke weed. Okay, I've been there. Um, yeah, it didn't work for me. But if it works for you, rad. Um, weed, I don't know. Really, I don't even want to do this video about weed because, to be honest, I'm disgusted by it now. Um, but yeah, I mean, if you're gonna do it in moderation. Moderation is key. Don't be a pothead. Nobody thinks you're funny. Don't, yeah, nobody thinks you're cool when you walk into a classroom smelling like a skunk. Really, nobody gives a rat's ass. So, if you thought you were gonna hear weed appreciation in this video,